Hello, I'm Trevor with Vanultra. Today I am in Summit County, Colorado, and I'm here with Thayer. Now, Thayer has a 2020 Ford Ranger. And Thayer, why don't you tell me a little bit about your truck, your rooftop tent? You know, we're up in a beautiful area of Central Colorado. How do you use your configuration?
Yeah, so I have a 2020 Ford Ranger. We really enjoy the car. It's also our daily driver, so we use it for whether schlepping to go get groceries, taking the kids to gymnastics. We use it for running to the ski resorts, which are close by, and also for camping. Take it up four-wheel driving, and yeah, it's a wonderful car. We put a topper on the back. We have Rhino Rack rails up top.
Yeah, the Vortex bars. I'm very familiar with those.
We bought the iKamper back in 2019. But as our daily driver, we like to take the iKamper on and off for each camping trip. You know, it kind of helps fuel mileage.
Wait. You're telling me, and I notice it's not on right now, but you're actually telling me that you don't leave it on like for the whole season?
Nope. I am kind of anal and I take it on and off every time. I've managed to bend a screw doing that.
Oh, really?
So that's probably not good.
So you've owned your iKamper for many years. How many times do you think you've removed your rooftop tent?
I mean, probably 30 times.
30 times. Okay. So you're a perfect candidate for us to be able to remove. So I actually met Thayer at a small business development event, and we just said, hey, we make rooftop tent quick release mounts. And he's like, I need your number. We need to get in touch because I remove my tent often. So
I'm ready to get started here.
all right, let's do it.
Cool.
All right, we are inside Thayer's garage, and the first thing that stands out right away is that he has a hoist supporting his iKamper. Can you tell us a little bit about your hoist?
I think it's like a 200 or 250 pound limit Jeep topper hoist off Amazon.
Okay.
Installed that. It's, a little complex to put everything together. You put these 2x6s in, but, it took me about 2 hours to do.
Well, thanks for showing us the hoist. This is a winning combination with a set of quick release mounts and a garage hoist. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the install now. What we're going to do is remove these iKamper 2.0 brackets and install the Vanultra mount. Finish up the install, and I wanted to just kind of pick your brain a little bit there, see if you can share just a little bit of your initial impressions, think of how this might add value to your life.
So I'm really excited not to have to crawl under here with a drill on an Allen bit and see if I'm hitting the hole or stripping out a bolt, which I've also done.
You said you've already had to replace those bolts before?
Yeah, and they're not cheap. So
oh.
I love how robust this is, how easy it is. I feel like it's gonna, not only is it gonna speed up the install, but I'm gonna feel a lot more confident about the hardware on there and how it's holding up on my truck.
Now, what do you think about these rubber pads? The iKamper 2.0 mounts that you had just contacted in two points, two edges, and didn't have any protection.
I'm excited about it. I mean, first, it's not gonna scrape up the bar, which we definitely had. We've also had it come loose 1 foot.
Oh, really?
Four-wheel driving once. Very excited to see that the rubber foot's gonna kind of hold it down a lot more secure.
Awesome. Well, you please get this truck out on some dirt roads. Thank you for your time. We're stoked to be able to get this on and off your vehicle quickly, and we'll be in touch.
Cool. Hey, thank you, man.